Hi friends, last period we have discussed about the properties of triangle, ratios of properties of triangle. Let us learn about the exercise on these properties. The first problem is that given that let's base of triangle base of triangle B be the base of triangles B1 equals to, let's base of triangle B1 equals to 9 and height of triangles, height of triangle H1 equals to 5, H1 equals to 5, and also base of another triangle, base of another triangle B2 equals to 10 and height H2 equals to, H2 equals to 6. So in that case the given base of first triangle, base of another triangle, height of first triangle and height of another triangle. To find the area of, now to find ratios of area of triangles, to find ratios of, ratio of area of two triangles, two triangle, ratios of area of two triangle. Therefore according to properties of triangles, so says that the area of triangles A1 by A2 equals to their areas of two triangle, ratios of areas two triangles is equals to the ratios of product of base and height, ratios of product of corresponding base and height. Therefore b1 into h1 by b2 into h2. Therefore a1 by a2, put the value of each term b1 h1 and b2 h2. 9 into 5 and b2, value of b2 10 into 6. So we can calculate these values. A1 by A2 equals to 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10, 3 2 ja 6 and 3 3 ja 9. Therefore their answer is that 3 by 2, 3 by 2, 3 by 4, 3 by 4, 2 2 ja 4, 3 into 1 or 2 into 2. Therefore 3 by 4, 3 by 4. Therefore ratios of area of two triangle equals to ratios of area of two triangle equals to 3 is to 4, is to 4. This is the final value of that questions. Now another problems. In that case another problems, in that figures, second problem shows that the two triangles having base are same. Two triangles having base are same. In height are difference AD and BC. So given here, given AB perpendicular BC and AD perpendicular AB. In that case, base are same. In triangle ABC and ADB, triangle ADB, base AB is common. AB is common. So, and their values of the heights BC, BC equals to 4 and AD equals to 8. To find to find the area of triangles ABC by area of triangles ADB. According to the property of triangles, by property of triangle with common base. Therefore, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle ADB equals to their corresponding heights. The ratios of area of two triangle with common base is equals to their corresponding height. That means height of the ABC triangle BC and height of the ADB triangle AD. Therefore, area of triangle, ratios of area of triangle ABC and area of triangle ADB equals to the value of BC equals to 4 and value of AD equals to 8. Therefore, the value of 4 1 is 4, 4 2 is 8. The ratios of area of two triangles ABC is to area of triangle ADB equals to 1 is to 2. This is the final answer of the given question. So, now discuss about the third problem. Discuss about the third problem. Third problem. Third problem also given as from the figure. The figure shows two triangles P, Q, R, S and height of triangle T. This is also height of triangles. Now given given in this problem. PT perpendicular QT, sorry, QT perpendicular, QT perpendicular, QT perpendicular PR and PS perpendicular RQ. Their heights of two different triangles, and Q RQ equals to 6 units, PS comma PS equals to 6 and PR equals to 12. So how to solve this problem? Then to find the side QT, to find side QT. Now RQ given here 6 centimeter, PS given here 6 centimeter, and PR given here 12 centimeter. In that case, see on this figure, आपल्याला पाहिल्यानंतर हे समजते की इथे एकच त्रिकोण आहे, त्याचा बेस पण देव नाही, हाईट दिलेली नाही. बट अनदर वे वी कॅन see that the base QR and height also PS. So area of triangles, बघा मित्रांनो, इथे एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल्स आपल्याला बेस इंटू हाईट आणि दुसरीकडे एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल बेस इंटू हाईट, म्हणजे एकाच त्रिकोणाच्या दोन क्षेत्रफळ आपल्याला दिलेले आहेत, अलग अलग क्षेत्रफळ, बट दोघांचे क्षेत्रफळ एकच येऊ शकते. आणि म्हणून therefore this is the different types of problem. So area of triangles, area of triangles, area of triangles P Q R equals to half into base, half into base PR into height QT, equation 1. And area of triangle PQR equals to half into base RQ into height PS, equation 2. From equation 1 and 2, the area of triangles half into PR into QT equals to half into RQ into PS. From equation 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Now, therefore, half of get cancelled. Their values of PR's value 12 into PR 12. QT, to find the value of QT, therefore as it like RQ 6 into PS 6. Now 12 into QT as it is equals to 6 into 6. Now QT equals to 36 by 12. Therefore QT equals to 12 3 ja 36. 12 3 ja 36 unit. So our final answer is that qt equals to 3. qt equals to 3. Now the fourth problem is that which type of fourth problem? The two parallel line and given two different triangle. From figure, two parallel line shows two different triangles. A, B, C, AP and D. Given is that from figure AP perpendicular BC, AP perpendicular BC, AD parallel BC. To find area of triangle ABC, area of triangle ABC is to area of triangle BDC. BDC. In that case, the both are triangle lies between the two parallel lines. Therefore, their heights are common or same, and basis also same by given figure. So we can write here base BC common and height AP common. BC and height AP are common in both triangle. So according to property, ratios of property of triangles by property of triangle with common base and common height. Common height. Therefore, hi friends, then when two triangles having the common base and common height, they say that, or we can write here area of triangle ABC upon area of triangles BDC equals to base and height, that means BC into AP by BC into AP. BC get cancelled one by one, and therefore area of triangle ABC is to area of triangle BDC equals to 1:1. 1:1. This is the last answer of that question. Now the final problem in that practice set. Let us learn about that final problem. Fifth problem from given figure. ABC, in which ABC triangles, this shows two heights AD and another height of triangle PQ of different triangles. So find the different ratios for different area of triangles. So in given or by figure, PQ perpendicular BC and AD perpendicular BC. Therefore, now we are right here area of two triangles given. To find the triangles, to find area of triangles, first area of triangles PQB, PQB upon area of triangles PBC equals to PQB, PQB equals to PQ BQ, base into height PQ, and another triangles PBC, PBC, base, BC base into BC base, PBC base BC, and height PQ. So PQ get cancelled. Therefore, area of triangle PQB upon area of triangle PBC equals to BQ by BC. BQ by BC. Then second problem, to find the area of triangles. To find the area of triangle PBC and divided by ABC. Area of triangle PBC upon area of triangle ABC. Now the two different triangles, ratios of different triangles PBC base BC into base area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle ADC equals to ABC. Now look this figure. Look this figure. ABC triangle. In ABC triangle, base is base BC and height AD. In triangle ADC, DC is the base and height AD. So AD will get cancelled. BC by base by common height. Property. Now, last fourth problem also says that area of triangle ADC upon area of triangle PQC. To find the ratios of area of triangle ADC and area of triangle PQC. From figure, triangle in this triangle ABC, ADC, A, B, C, the base are DC into height AD and PQC, the base QC into height PQ. The both are height and base are different. Therefore, their ratios are as it is. This is the final answer of the problem by area of ratios of properties of property of ratio of area of two triangles. So स्टुडंट आपण पूर्ण हे प्रॅक्टिस सेट सॉल्व केलेलं आहे इन दिस व्हिडिओ. आशा करतो की मी तुम्हाला हा सगळा प्रॅक्टिस सेट तुम्हाला चांगल्या तऱ्हेने समजला असेल. बघून